Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll evaluate these limit expressions. So let's start with the one on the left side. So the given expression is limit x approaches to 4 minus x squared over 2 minus x. Now for this expression, we cannot use the substitution method because if we sub in x as 2, so the denominator becomes equal to 0. And if the denominator is equal to 0, then the expression or the fraction becomes undefined. So we have to find a way to get rid of this expression 2 minus x that's in the denominator. For that we have to analyze the expression in the numerator. Now we can break down the expression in the numerator using the difference of squares factoring method. So we can rewrite this expression as limit x approaches 2, and the numerator expression can be written as, so we know that 4 is a perfect square, so it can be written as 2 square minus x square over 2 minus x. Now we can break down the numerator using the formula for difference of squares factoring method. So we get 2 plus x in parentheses times 2 minus x over 2 minus x. Now we have 2 minus x expression in the numerator and the denominator, so we can cancel them out. So we are left with just limit x approaches 2 plus x. Now we can apply the limit. So we get 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So this should be the final answer for this limit. So now we can analyze this second expression. So here we have to evaluate limit x approaches -1. So 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 over x plus 1. So for this expression, again we cannot use the substitution method because if we sub in x as -1, the denominator becomes equal to 0. So this fraction will become undefined. So we have to find a way to get rid of this expression x plus 1 in the denominator. So for that, we'll have to analyze the expression in the numerator. Now the numerator is a trinomial and it's a complex trinomial because the coefficient of the x square is not equal to 1. It is equal to 2. So we have to see if we can factor this expression. So we can do the analysis on the side. So the given trinomial is 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. So we can factor it either using the decomposition method or the crisscross method. So whichever way you do it, you'll get the same answer. So if we use the crisscross method, so 2 can be broken down into 2 and 1, and for 3 we can do 3 and 1. If we do the crisscross multiplication, then we get 5, which is the coefficient of the x term. So that means the factored form will be 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. So if you do it the decomposition way, you will get the same answer. So we get limit x approaches -1, and in the numerator we have 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 over x plus 1. We can cancel out the x plus 1 expressions, and now we are left with just limit x approaches -1 to x plus 3. Now that we have gotten rid of the denominator, the expression that was problematic for us, now we can use the substitution method. So we just sub in x as -1. And this simplifies to -2 plus 3, which is equal to +1. So this should be the final answer for this limit. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.